First, open your PNG or clipart image in Photoshop. Make sure the background is transparent. If not, remove it using the contextual toolbar or with any selection tool like object selection tool. Now head over to the layers panel, press and hold Command or Ctrl and click directly on the image layer thumbnail. This will create a selection around the visible pixels of your image. Next, grab any selection tool. Let's go with rectangular marquee tool. Now right click on the selected image and choose Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 1 for better accuracy. After the path is created, select the Path Selection tool, right-click on your shape again and choose Create Vector Mask. Hit Enter to confirm. And that's it. Now your PNG has been turned into a vector shape. To save it, go to File, Save a copy, rename your file if needed, and set the format to Photoshop EPS. Click Save. And it's done. You can open the EPS file in Illustrator and you can zoom in or scale it without losing the quality. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick and pro Photoshop tutorials.